Hey friends, if you encounter the error could not load file or assembly RSy3 AudioAppStreamsWrapper dll, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, open the Microsoft Edge browser and then search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Go to this page, scroll down and click on the x64 version. Click on open. Click on repair and repair it and let it go through. If this helps, well and good. If not, then perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.